Audiovisual content is now the most preferable content used in this modern digital space as a means of communicating to the people out there globally. To tell a beautiful story, you must always have a plan. You must have a concept. That is number one. Number two, you must always check whether the concept or the plan that you have matches your subject idea, goes in line with your subject. If assuming you are shooting a wedding, you are creating a story for a wedding couple, you must ask yourself, the story you want to tell, is it in line with what they want? Is in line with the product you are marketing out there, the product you are going to shoot. Number three, you must have a tune. You must have a music. Whenever I want to tell a story, let's say wedding, before I go to the wedding scene, I go through my playlist and get one or two songs. And before I even get one or two songs, I do sometimes speak with the client, know the genre of music that they want, so that through that I will also pick one or two songs that I will use in creating my story. Number four, prepare the mindset of your subject, prepare the mindset of your couple. Sometimes people do watch my videos, people do watch my trailers, and they see the wow moment, they see the beautiful moment. You see the couple smiling, jumping here and there, the bridal tray. It doesn't come by chance, it doesn't come by magic. Sometimes you have to go down on your knees to beg the couples to go in line with you. Sometimes you have to persuade them. You don't know. Sometimes you have to go the extra mile. You have to go the extra mile in preparing the mindset of your couple. You know the story you want to tell. Though sometimes people will feel like, I have taken my money, I'm just here to be part of your story telling, I'm just here to document all the beautiful moments. So if you don't give me the chance, that's fine. No. And I always tell people that the number one marketer is your client, is the one you are telling the story for. So always prepare the mindset, go the extra mile in talking to your client, in talking to the couples. And number five, be in the mood. Whatever story you are telling, whatever content you are creating, be in the mood emotionally. Whatever you put your all in all that you do, you have a nice, beautiful story. This is Experience with Anas the Filmmaker. Thank you very much. And in my subsequent videos, we are going to dig deep into smartphone cinematography or smartphone photography, using your smartphone in telling a beautiful story. What you need to do, what settings do you need? We are going to teach all that. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, hit the notification bell for all other content that I will create, so that immediately I create the content, you get a notification and you also learn. This is Experience with Anas the Filmmaker. Thank you, and see you on the other side.